Good morning, and welcome back to Fair Value Study. I'm bringing you your pre-market briefing for Wednesday, May 20th, 2026. Let's get right into it. US stock futures point to a green open, a welcome sign after 3 consecutive down days. S&P 500 futures are up 0.37% to 7,405. Dow futures at 0.29% to 49,602. Nasdaq futures lead the group, up 0.69% to 29,123, while Russell 2000 futures rise 0.52% to 2,767. The bulls are attempting to regain control before the bell. The big story remains the bond market. Treasury yields continue to climb, with the 10-year, 20-year, and 30-year all hitting fresh 52-week highs. Long-end yields are at levels not seen in nearly 2 decades, dragging equities lower, especially rate-sensitive tech names. Inflation worries have traders pricing in a higher probability of a Fed rate hike. Right now, the 10-year yield sits at 4.667%. In currencies, Eurodollar is at 1.1599, dollar-yen trades at 159.0030, and the pound dollar is flat at 1.3402. In commodities, crude oil dropped 2.38% to 101.67 after President Trump called off a scheduled strike on Iran to pursue peace negotiations. This overnight pullback could offer the Fed and the bond market some breathing room. For metals, gold is down at 4,496, while silver gains 0.8% to 75.76. The VIX drops to 17.97, hinting at a relief rally. Meanwhile, Bitcoin stabilizes at 77,450 after enduring $500 million in liquidations earlier this week. Overseas, the FTSE 100 rises 0.2% to 10,351, but the Nikkei 225 slips 1.23% to 59,804, despite Japan's Q1 GDP beating estimates at a 2.1% annualized growth rate. Tonight brings the main event. Nvidia reports after the close. Analysts project massive growth with revenue around $79 billion. However, forward guidance matters most as Nvidia transitions from Blackwell to the next-gen Vera Rubin platform. With major hyperscalers planning $725 billion in 2026 tech spending, all eyes are on Nvidia's Q2 outlook and gross margins. Before the open, earnings from Target, Lowe's, TJX, and Analog Devices will give us a fresh health check on the American consumer. To summarize, futures are green, oil is down, yields stay elevated, and all eyes are on Nvidia tonight. Stay sharp, do your own research, and we will be back with the full recap after the closing bell. That is your pre-market briefing from Fair Value Study. Like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Disclaimer: this video is for educational and informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Stock investing involves risk. Please conduct your own research before making any investment decisions.